In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a logo to a QR code in Unicode, and I'll walk you through how the process works so you can get the best results fast. Plus, stick around to the end because I'll share a better alternative that might be the right fit for your needs. Let's dive in. So, if you're looking to add a logo to a QR code in Unicode, the first thing you want to do is sign into your account. If you don't have one, it's simple to create an account, and there's a free trial available, which is great for testing out the features before committing. Once you're in, you can either create a QR code from scratch or upload a pre-made one if you already have one. Next thing, once you have your QR code ready, look for the option to Edit QR Code. This is where the fun starts. You'll see an option that says Add Logo. Click that and you'll be prompted to upload an image file. It's important to choose a high-quality image that's not too large, as it might affect the clarity of your QR code. Make sure your logo has a transparent background for the best effect, but that's not a deal breaker if it doesn't. The fourth thing you need to know is the placement of the logo. Unicode gives you a couple of options for positioning your logo within the QR code. You can choose the center or adjust the size manually. Be cautious here because if the logo is too large or positioned incorrectly, it could make your QR code unreadable. Always make sure it doesn't cover the QR code's data areas too much. Moving on, after positioning your logo, you'll need to test your QR code. It's a good idea to scan it with your phone's camera or a QR code scanner to see if it still works. If the scan is successful, you're good to go. If not, you might need to adjust the size or position of your logo and try again. Now, Unicode does make adding logos to QR codes pretty simple, but there are a couple of limitations. For example, the design flexibility is decent but somewhat basic, especially if you want more advanced customization options. You may find that the free trial doesn't give you full access to all the features you'll need if you're working on larger projects or need more advanced settings. And that brings me to the final thing you should know before jumping into Unicode. While it's a solid option for basic QR code customization, if you're looking for something with more features and flexibility, there are better alternatives out there. For instance, if you want more design options or features like analytics and bulk QR code generation, there are platforms that offer these extra capabilities, and many of them also come with free trials. Now, as promised, let's talk about a competitor that might be more aligned with your goals. The software I recommend offers an extended free trial exclusively for you through the link in the description below. It not only lets you add logos to your QR codes, but it also gives you more control over customization and even provides in-depth analytics so you can track your QR code's performance. So, if you're ready to take your QR code game to the next level, I've included a link to the best free trial available for our viewers, along with some amazing alternatives that might better suit your needs. These platforms also come with free trials, so you can test them risk-free. Just click the link below to get started.